If you've never shot like a video with us before, whenever we shoot video, we always have that pre-production call, right, where we're kind of outlining the overall goal of the shoot. And these are not long. It can be from like 15 to 30 minutes most of the time, where we just get everyone together, from our producer to the content team to, you know, with you, where we just get everyone together. We're discussing the goal of the shoot. We're outlining some foundational items, from like location to different topics, whatnot. Everything's being planned out as part of like this pre-production call. So that way we're never going to the shoot and figuring it out as it goes. Like, everything is just fun. It's seamless. You know, a lot of clients describe it as like comfortable, because like a bunch of the planning and stuff, whether they need like scripting, some clients are more comfortable with the teleprompter, some are better off the cuff. But all of that has been planned out to kind of, you know, maintain your authenticity. So when they're shooting, they're just, yeah, they're very comfortable and having fun. And yeah, that's a really important piece of, you know, our video production process.